Okay, for this shark trace, you don't need any crimps, you just need your hook, you need your heavy duty swivel, you need some heavy gauge mono. This is 100 pound. I don't know, probably 50 pound upwards would be alright. This is 100 pound wire, probably 30 to 100 pound max because it's a bit hard to get the 100 pound to start. Basically pop it through your hook, the cable. You only need to run down to about there. This is the knotless knot. Basically it's a snell. It's a bit bloody tricky to start with 100 pound too, so alright, yeah, you just go through there. Now we need to wrap it around the shank. This is the hardest part of the whole thing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will do. Poke that back through the loop. Sorry about the lighting. Basically it's a knotless knot. If I had probably would have been better to show you guys with like 60 pound wire, but anyways. Okay, so there we go, she's snelled on there. Be a bit better if that was pushed down there a bit. Okay, that's locked off. Trim your tag a little bit. Doesn't have to be short, but no, like that's fine. Alright, let's get this video finished. It's dragging on a bit. Alright, so now in my other video I just made this morning, it's a figure of 8 knot. So you lay your two lines side by side, put your hand underneath, you grab the wire, make a loop. I'll do it again, sorry. Side by side, make your loop, hold it, make your loop, hold it, so it looks like that. Take your tag through the loops. Jeez, I'm not having much luck for the video. Okay, now it looks like that. Push the loops apart. Oh, I'll grab it with the bloody pliers, my hands are slipping. Okay, when I lock this, it'll look like a figure of 8. There we go, see how it looks like a figure of 8 now? Alright, now turn it around. Lay the line side by side. One loop. Two loops. Put your tag through both holes. You can push them apart if you want to make the figure of 8. Yank that. Okay, so it's similar to uni to uni. You just slide the two together. So pull on your wire. Yeah, not the ideal tool for the job, but if I had proper pliers, this video is shit, sorry guys. If I had proper pliers lying around here. But anyways, so yeah, so you're just locking those two together like your uni to uni. Trim your tags. They don't have to be too short, but just be careful when you're tracing it. Quite often you get the shark to the bank and it'll start rolling around. It's just nice to be able to grab the 100 pound. Okay, so you end your rig, put your swivel. Same again, hand behind. Hand behind. through the hole. Oh, it's got to be through the hole and above that main line. Pull your tag. Obviously you wet your knot. Okay, it looks like that. Sorry about my wobble cam. Trim your tag. Okay, so you got your mono. You got your hook, your wire, your knotless knot, your 2 figure-8s joining. Shit video, sorry guys. Your knot on the end. What I do, I grab them. I wind them up. Stick them in the bag. And there you go. Piece of piss. Sorry about the video for the 3rd time. Alright, thanks for watching. Over and out.